So guys, let's begin. So in a bowl I'm taking in egg whites and I'm going to whip this continuously with an electric beater. You can see it has turned frothy. And this stage we keep on adding a sugar little by little. So this whipping will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Have patience. Increase the number from 1 to 4 gradually and keep adding sugar like this in intervals while whipping continuously. Our aim is to get stiff peaks. So now I've added in all the sugar and I've been whipping it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see it has become glossy and I switch off and there you can see stiff peaks. Now I turn off the beater and keep this aside. Now in another vessel I will add in only the egg yolks. Milk. Vanilla extract. And now I'm going to whisk this very well. After that we are adding in the baking soda and a bit of salt and the all-purpose flour, also known as MAIDA. Now we'll combine all of them together. Now I'm adding in 3 ladles of the whipped egg whites to this. And I'm going to mix this in well. Now to the egg white mixture itself, I will add in this egg yolk mixture. Also adding in mashed up banana. Now we will carefully mix this in cut and fold method. Do not over mix it, okay? We just have to incorporate all the ingredients together, that's all. Otherwise, whatever air we have breathed into the egg whites will go away, okay? So mix in gently with cut and fold method. Now in a pan which is greased side by oil and has a baking sheet at the bottom, We pour in this mixture into that pan. Do not tap. Okay? Do not tap it. Now we have to place this into a preheated oven. Preheat the oven for about 8 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. And we are going to bake this at convection mode for 25 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. All other ovens are different, so check the compatibility of your oven and bake this. Okay? Meanwhile, let's take a vessel and keeping the flame as a simmer here. I'm adding in sugar, immediately adding in milk and also the cornstarch, adding in the remaining milk, and I am going to continuously keep mixing it like this. We don't want the mixture to get burnt at the base, so that is why you need to keep it continuously mixing like this. Now we add in 2 whole eggs. Also adding in the vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. And we are continuously whisking it like this. You have to keep doing this on low flame. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. You can see that the mixture has thickened a bit. Okay, it has to come to this consistency. I'll show you with a spoon over here. See this semi-solid thick consistency. That is when we switch off the flame and we secure the vessel with the baking foil like this. The reason why we do this is to not allow the air to escape. Okay, do this, cut off the excess foil and place it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. We need this to cool down completely. Okay, now let's check on our cake. So we can see that our cake is wonderfully baked. If I prick in a knife into the cake, it comes out clean. Okay, sometimes you prick at the side, it comes dry, and in the middle, if you prick, it comes soggy. So remember to prick at the center so that you can know that your cake is completely cooked. Okay, so let us allow this to cool down. Cool it down for about half an hour or something. Now we loosen the ends and toss the cake onto a plate. Let's remove the butter paper at the base. And also after an hour of cooling, you can see that the custard is ready to be spread. Before you spread it onto the cake, make sure to mix it well because it is too solidified, so let us make it a little liquidy. Okay, so mix in well before you toss it over the cake. and pour the entire custard mixture onto the cake like this and spread it evenly on the top as well as on the sides. Remember to keep a little thicker layer on the top of the cake. So on the sides I don't have any baking tools, so this is the way I am going to do it. It gives smoother edges as I'm doing it here, so you can make use if people don't have the perfect baking tools. Yes, okay. And to make it look more presentable, I am going to add in some chocolate shavings. Okay, you can add it as a shaving or even as a powder like this. It looks good. Now we are going to refrigerate this for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours you can see that the cake is ready to be cut. So cut into the slices like this. And it is ready to be served. Generally the banana cake is a bit dry, but this custard topping has made it a moist, soft, juicy cake. So guys, please go and try this recipe at your home, and please do leave a comment in the section down below like how you liked it. And make sure to like this video if you have enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all next time with another videos coming like this. Until then, take care guys. Bye.